Exploring the world of quantitative adjectives. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our English grammar series. Today, we are going to delve into an important type of adjective, quantitative adjectives. We will explore what they are and provide some practical examples to better understand their usage in English. Let's jump right in. First off, it's important to understand what we mean by quantitative adjectives. These are adjectives that provide information about the quantity of something. In other words, they tell us how much or how many of something exists. It could be something measurable like time and distance, or it could be something uncountable like love, knowledge, and advice. Examples include words like few, many, much, all, and some. Quantitative adjectives often go hand in hand with countable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count, like books, apples, or cars. For example, we could say, I have 3 books, she ate 2 apples, or there are several cars in the parking lot. Notice how the quantitative adjectives 3, 2, and several tell us about the quantity of the countable nouns books, apples, and cars, respectively. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are things that we can't count because they're often abstract or too large in quantity. These include nouns like water, sand, or information. When using quantitative adjectives with uncountable nouns, we could say, I drank some water, there is much sand at the beach, or he has a lot of information. Here, some, much, and a lot of give us an idea about the quantity of water, sand, and information. Let's now look at some more examples of quantitative adjectives. 1. I have a few friends in this city. 2. She has many questions about the new topic. 3. We spent several hours working on this project. 4. There is little time left for the exam. 5. He has no interest in sports. Remember, these adjectives give us an idea about the quantity or amount of a noun, without specifying the exact number or amount. And there we have it. You've now learned about quantitative adjectives, how they work with countable and uncountable nouns, and some common examples of their use. With practice, you'll soon find using these adjectives becomes second nature. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve your English language skills. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!